In this video, I'll show you how to install Node.js on your computer. If you haven't downloaded the installer yet, search for Node.js on your browser. On the home page, click the Get Node.js button. It will redirect you to the download page. Here you can see the installers for Windows, macOS, Linux, or even AIX. Since we're on Windows, let's pick that. Click Windows Installer and save the file. Once downloaded, double-click the installer. Now on the installer, first click Next. Read and accept the license agreement, then click Next again. Here, choose the installation folder. The default location is usually fine, so just click Next. On the component screen, leave everything as it is, then click Next again. Now click the checkbox for automatic updates, then click Install and wait for the process to finish. Give it some time to complete the installation. Lastly, to check if it was installed correctly, open the command prompt and type in node-v. It will display the version number verifying that Node.js was installed correctly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.